Okay, I'm just going to pour another holographic bowl, which I've shown a video before, but I'm using some of Laura's Art Corner, and this is white diamond, and I'm using Counterculture DIY artist resin, medium viscosity, equal parts A and B, exact parts together for about 6 minutes in 2 different cups. I don't know where I got this from. It's a pack of 10,000 pieces, and they're like little tiny iridescent crystals. They're kind of round, and so I've got those, and I'm going to put them around the edge, and then I'm going to make a freeform bowl. So I'm going to add about, I don't know, half an ounce or so of resin to this beautiful white diamond glitter. Let me put a little bit more. And this is freeform because I made my mold with caulk, and it's on holographic window film. This is the top surface that has some texture, and that's what makes it holographic. And the key is to use a clear resin so that it shows through the clear resin, and it will pick up the pattern on the back side as well. So you need everything to be kind of crystal clear. So I'm going to put this around the edge of the form and then sprinkle the little crystals. The great thing about this window film also is it can be used over and over again, because you're just using the surface and it's slick, so it will withstand many uses. I'm wiping off the glitter. I don't want the glitter in the middle at all. And I'm just going to pour the clear in the middle. I didn't know how much to mix up, so I roughly mixed 10 or 11 ounces, which I think will be about what I need. This is about a 12-inch irregular shape, that I made with my caulk. You don't have to really worry about destroying a mold or melting anything with this, so I can use my torch. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to kind of go around and kind of stir the crystal part, the glitter part, into the resin, really, just on the edges, intermingle. So they kind of look like little diamonds in a way. And the good part about the silicone caulk is the last time I did it, I just made a dam with the crystals that I was using, and so it kind of leaked through. And this way, this will hold the crystals in, and the edge will hold in, and it won't go seeping out. So I can tell where I need to add a little bit more. I don't want this super thick, so that's why I'm not loading it up with resin. And I don't mind if there's a little texture on the edge either. And then I'll let this sit for probably about 4 hours, and then I'll shape it over something or in something to give it the irregular bowl shape that I want. You can also use your low temp heat gun if you're concerned about, you know, heating up something too much or melting something. You can use the low temp. So that's it, and I'm sorry I'm off frame a little bit. My camera moved a bit. There it is, and I'm gonna put a couple of coasters up here and coat them with resin, with my leftover resin, and I'll be back to show you the rest of it. Okay, so it sat overnight. I had a hard time getting this in a bowl and to stay where it was because it was so heavy or thick or whatever. So just pulling it away. And there it is. So it picks up the print from the surface of the window film, and this did crease when I put it in the bowl overnight because you had to, you know, create that tension. So I'm just curious if I can heat it. So yeah, it may relax over time and then it'll be usable again. We'll see. I'll leave that there to put the bowl on. But so yeah, this picks up the imprint, and then because it's clear you can see it through, and then I just have the little crystals around the edges to give it something different and special. So I had the one side that didn't go up very far, so I may make another one. I have an order for one for a client. This may just be more of a display thing, and I may make another one for a client that's a little different. But it does work. Also, this window film is really thick, and that also made it harder to put inside the bowl to make it form inside this bowl. I mean, I really had to push and heat it and that kind of thing, but it worked nonetheless, but it was difficult for a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.